So hello friends, I am Shorodi Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of a Crompton ceiling fan, that is Crompton Avancer Anti-Dust Indigo Blue. So this is the box of the motor and this is the box of the blades. So I purchased this offline. So the price in offline of this particular color is 2480 rupees. So as you can see the cash memo. So now let me just have an unboxing and check what's inside. Before that, let me just open the contents and just check for any cracks or breaks. If there is any cracks or breaks, if you receive a broken item, always replace it from the shop where you have purchased or from online, whatever might be. And I will recommend you don't buy fans online, because especially from Flipkart and Amazon, because first of all they take a price that is much higher than that of the offline prices, and Crompton is now widely available across India in the offline stores. So let's have an unboxing. One thing I must tell you is that regarding the box manufacture, this is a brand new piece of January 2020, and the MRP of here slightly scratched. As you can see, this is 3410 3410. So this is manufactured in Bethoda, Goa, as you can see. And so let's have an unboxing.
Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie.
So as per you saw the installation of this fan. One thing to note, I think that this is an STD shackle, but there is some cost cutting in this STD shackle. As let me just focus. As you can see, the motor bolt is slightly thin, but not thin as Cool Breeze. That means this motor bolt is slightly thinner than that of the previous Crompton or the Daycare. But I think this is a 2020 STD, because as you can see, or because this is totally a sealed packet. As you can see, this is sealed. Let me see just if it is real life sealed. Yes, this is a sealed packet, so no one can just put out the big nut and put a small nut here. And as you can see, there is a screw type dent here. So I think this is the new version of the STD shackle. So the previous indigo blue color was of this color, but now the color of the metallic color of the blade is slightly lightened. As you can see the difference. This was the previous color of 2016 or something like that, and this is the 2020 color. So I think slight color variation done by Crompton for whatever might be. I have no issues regarding that. I feel this color is far better than that of the previous color, because this previous color looks almost like a black, but this looks like a blue. So let's just install the fan. forgot to say is that you need some wires, approximately 1.5 feet to 3 feet wire. If you have a conceal mounting, then 1.5 feet wire is enough. Otherwise, if you have a mounting point little bit far away from the fan, then you may need more. I took here 3 feet, and the tools required here are this 10-11 millimeter spanner, a 12-13 millimeter spanner. If this was a bigger nut like the previous Crompton Aura or the Avancer or the Daycare or the high speeds, then I may use this, but now no use, because the shackle bolt is also the same 10 millimeter, and this bolt is also the same, and the hole here is also 10 fitment for 10 millimeter. You cannot just shove here a 12 millimeter bolt like the previous big bolt supplied with the Crompton. So I may say this is a cost cutting technique, and you may see the washers have also been reduced. Previously Crompton have provided 2 spring washers, one this plain washer, but now as you can see, 1 plain washer, 1 spring. So this is, you may say, cost cutting, keeping the price of the fan for some years same, but slowly just reducing the making cost like these accessories and whatever might be. So let's just pass the wire. This is the shackle here provided with extra spring washers. I think shackle must be provided with spring washers, because when you lift the canopy, the upper canopy like this, wait, let me just lose the bolt. What happens if you just align the washers in one side, then what happens is that the nut will be totally, means this is here a balanced condition. If you just remove the washers from here and place it here, then what happens, the nut will be lower from this side, and this side part will be higher, and means this side part will end up until here. What happened then, the canopy will be inclined when you lift it up. So always balance shackles lower bolt using appropriate washers, and always see by lifting if the canopy gets inclined in one side due to the pressure of the bolts or not. So by this way you can improve the decorum of your room without any inclination of the top canopy. Generally this problem is not faced with Aura canopy, because that canopy is more bulkier, and this is only faced in high speed canopy and Avancer canopy. The Daycare and Aura have the bigger size canopies, means this canopy is also big, but they have a bulkier canopy. That's why this kind of problem is not faced in this fan. So whatever might be, let's install the blade and let's hang this fan in the ceiling and have a first look in the 2020 Crompton grips Avancer. Mind it, this is not a Duratec model. This is a general model with 2 years warranty. The Duratec model is only with Aura and not with Avancer. This is normal Avancer Prime Anti-Dust. This is the fan. So this is the fan after installation. As you can see, let me just zoom it. So here, as you can see, the Crompton logo. This logo is little bit smaller than that of the other fans. That is this daycare. As you can see, this branding is little bit larger when compared to this Avancer. So let me just start the fan. Before that, let me show my ceiling to you guys. So this is my brown daycare, this is the Avancer, and this is my ivory daycare. So let's start the fan. So as you can see, this fan has attained a very good speed and the airflow is also decent. So obviously this airflow is little bit, means the airflow is similar to that of the daycare, but regarding the airflow in these daycare fans, the airflow quantity of the air is same, but as I said in my previous this daycare's video, that the 3-blade fans gives a thicker amount of air, but the speed of the wind is slower when compared to the daycare. The daycare have a greater wind speed than that of this Avancer or whatever might be 3-blade fans. But if you are using for a bedroom application, then if you have a hot room, then I will prefer this kind of 3-blade fans, that is the Crompton Avancer like this, or the high speed, or the Aura Duratec, whatever might be. And if you are willing to place a ceiling fan in a cold room, then daycare is the obvious choice. So as you can see, this is the fan, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. So till then, thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please press the like button. If you have any comments, please comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest upcoming videos of fans and accessories like this.